The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southern Hempstead County, extreme southeastern Little River County, western Miller County, extreme western Bossier Parish, northern Caddo Parish, eastern Bowie County, eastern Cass County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and destructive tornado was located near Vivian, moving north at 65 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the warned area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: trained weather spotters. At 7:19 p.m., extreme devastation was reported in the city of Vivian associated with this tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Locations impacted include Rodessa, Atlanta, Queen City, Bloomberg, Texarkana, Liberty Island, Nash, Wake Village, Mandeville, Red Lick, Genoa, and Alton. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.